Hi friends, this is Eigen Tech Buddies and you are watching Eigen Tech Buddies YouTube channel. For getting new job updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Uranium Corporation of India Limited is recruiting candidates to fill their positions. Total vacancies 136. The job location is all over in India and salary is between 25,000 to 49,900. The last date for application is 22 June 2020. First one, graduate operational trainee. Total 4 posts are there. For underserved category 2 posts, SC category 1 post and ST category 1 post. Salary will be 33,994. The age limit is 30 years old. The age relaxation will be 5 years age relaxation will be given for SC/ST category and 3 years age relaxation will be given for OBC category. The qualification needed for the post is BSc in physics or chemistry. The next one is mining mate C. Total 52 posts are there. Salary will be 33,087 rupees and the age limit is 35 years old. The age relaxation will be given to OBC category and SC/ST category. The qualification needed for the job is intermediate with unrestricted mining mate certificate of competency issued by DGMS, and the candidate must be able to write and speak Hindi or local language, and the candidate must possess 5 years of experience. Next one is boiler cum compressor attendant. Total 3 posts are there. Salary 32,180 rupees and the age limit is 30 years old. Qualification needed for the post is boiler attendant certificate granted by government board and with 1 year of experience. Next one is winding engine driver B. Total 14 posts are there. For underserved category 7 posts, OBC category 2 posts, SC/ST category 2 posts and ST category 3 posts. Salary 32,633. The age limit is 32 years old. Qualification needed for the post is SSLC Matric. The candidate must possess first class winding engine driver certificate, and the candidate should have more than 3 years of experience. Next one is blaster B. Number of posts are 4. For underserved category 2 posts are the ST category 1 post, ST category 1 post. Salary will be 32,180 rupees and the age limit is 32 years old. The qualification is metric with unrestricted blasters certificate of competency issued by DGMS, and candidate must possess 3 years of experience. Next one is apprentice. Total 53 posts are there. Underserved category 26 posts, OBC category 6 posts, SC category 6 posts and ST category 15 posts. The salary 32,180 rupees and the age limit is 25 years old. For SC/ST category 5 years of age relaxation will be there, and for OBC category 3 years of age relaxation will be given. The qualification needed for the post is intermediate with minimum 60% of marks. For laboratory assistant, total 6 posts are there. For underserved category 3 posts, OBC category 1 post, SC/ST category 1 post, and the age limit is 25 years old. The qualification needed for the post is matriculation with the minimum 60% of marks. There will be application fees. Candidate belonging to general or OBC category should pay a non-refundable application fees of 500 rupees. For SC/ST, female candidates are exempted from the payment of application fees. The candidates who meet the required eligibility criteria can apply for the job The application link will be given in the description box. If you have any doubts, you can comment on my comment box. And if your friends are eligible for this job, please share with them also. Thank you.